Some people make a paste using the baking soda and Dawn, and I just put a plug, the plug that comes with the sink, I just put it in there instead of using a separate bowl to do that. So I'm going to use some Dawn. Do it on both sides. And then you can use more or less depending on if it's still dirty or not. And I don't measure it out. I just put the stuff in there. I'm going to use just a little scrubby like this. I get them from the dollar store. 3 of them for $1. On my sink, I always get these little streaks of dirt or grease, whatever it is. And it doesn't come off by itself with just soap and water when I'm rinsing and cleaning the dishes and stuff like that. I can't get it off. So if you use this mixture on there, it comes right off. Here's another one. About 30 minutes later. The mixture is not as bubbly as it was before, and you can give it a once over if you want to with the scrubby. And then I'm just gonna drain it and see how it looks. After I rinsed it really good, I wiped it down with a dishcloth. Of course, it's clean. And then afterwards, to shine all the fixtures, I just used some vinegar on some paper towel that I folded up. And just go ahead and shine everything. Give it a nice rub there. The vinegar doesn't stink. It neutralizes and it gets rid of any odors. And I think that looks much better than it did at first.